Hamwe na mendekithia maria maheanitwo ni kamiti iria ikoretwo ikimurika mogaruruku sekta-ini ya githomo ni guthurimwo kwa watho wa githomo kia muthingi niguo guthamia urugamiriri wa thukuru cia NATHARI kuuma kuri KAUNTY kinyagia kuri thirikari nene. Arutwo a PP1 kinyagia grade ya kenda magituranirwo rungu rwa murugamiriri umwe. Kanju ya mangavana ona kuhanirwo uguo ni yagithitie kiene mendekithia ma kamiti ino iria yatongoragio ni Professor Raphael Munavo.
The Council of Governors categorically does not agree and rejects the recommendations in entirety to the extent that they undermine the basic structure and framework of the Constitution.
The report should limit itself to what it was asked to do, but it should not attempt to rewrite the Constitution of Kenya.
Matongoretio ni muikariri giti wa kamiti igie githomo Eric Mutai, magavana maugite makoretwo makihuthira mbeca nyingi urugamiriri-ini wa thukuru ici na uguo matiranyita mbaru mendekithia ma kamiti ino.
Today as we speak, there are basic formal learning happening in ECDs. Teachers have been employed. We have classrooms, we have facilities, and we have resources done exclusively by the effort of the county governors without the support of the national government or without the support. In fact, in the shareable revenue, it doesn't even exist. So when I hear a conversation from Parliament saying that they want to take back the money in the shareable revenue to pay TSC, what do they take what does not exist in the first place?
We as a country and as the COG have made tremendous progress. What you see in ECD today is what has been done by the governors themselves.
Hamwe na mendekithia magi maria maheanitwo ni kamiti ino ni Ministry ya Githomo, TSC na Kanju ya magavana kugia na mufango wa uria arutani a NATHARI maririhagwo oro undu umwe na guthurimwo kwa watho wa githomo kia muthingi niguo county commissioners magatongoragia bodi cia mathomo thiini wa county hamwe na magi.
Within the proposed county education board, COG is not represented or distantly removed from the management of that particular board and seems to offer a lot of powers to the county commissioner as regard to the county governors elected to run those particular devolved units.
Hamwe na magi magavana aya maugite urugamiriri wa thukuru cia NATHARI uguthi na mbere gukorwo uri rungu rwa thirikari cia county makiuga matikunyite itemi mitaratara-ini o yothe ya gukinyaniria kiwatho mendekithia maria maheanitwo ni kamiti ino.
Council of Governors hereby withdraws its participation from any process that seeks to legislate the recommendations contained in the report. This includes the proposed meeting called by Intergovernmental Relationship Technical Committee scheduled for 16 January 2023.
Haduini hakameme TV, jitagwo Gina wa Wadurwa.